How do we get from this to this? First comes the design. Then we saw mill it into planks. Then we send it dry in the kiln oven. Time to make domino joinery for the tabletop. Apply with glue. And join all the planks together. Leave it to dry overnight. Start making the base by using tenon joinery. Making sure reinforcements are done properly. Reinforcements by using half lap joints and screws. Back to the tabletop. Cut it into shape. Finish it off with the finishing. And the results.